Are you an SEO agency stuck with expensive press release companies that don't deliver? We felt the same for a decade. After spending thousands of dollars, we decided to build our SEO-friendly newswire. Yes, SEO-friendly. See, as a website growth company, we know the pain of other SEO companies. We have to deliver measurable results for our clients, and if we fail, we have no clients. You know that feeling, right? So our founder, Q, went to work. Knowing what every client desires, we bootstrapped press release systems that started to generate more leads, higher Google rankings, and enormous brand exposure that Google loves. Not only do you get website traffic from these top news wires, these sites also pass significant brand trust. Some of these include Google News, Yahoo News, USA Today, MarketWatch, Street Insider, Associated Press, ABC, NBC, Fox News affiliates, over 500 news wires, influencers and thought leaders, bloggers, and micro-influencers. After testing with over 200 small and large SEO companies and distributing over 28,000 plus stories and growing, he is offering this 100% white label newsroom to fit the news of SEO companies, web designers, PR professionals, and anyone who does digital marketing. If you are a struggling SEO company, website designer, PR professional, or anyone that wants to build a 7-figure business with the help of Q, who has done this with his proven system, tools, and resources, you need to unlock your agency potential right now. The good is that if you talk to us now during COVID-19, we have a 100% white label plan that is too hard to resist with the benefits we can't explain here in this short video. Today, you too can build your SEO agency with 100% white label press release newswire distribution business system. Learn more at story.kisspr.com.